Let's assume you made a mistake and made a client inactive by mistake or deleted it by mistake. So what do? Where do you go? You would go to this small gear icon here, not the top one here. The top one is for the QuickBooks for the entire program, but this little gear icon, which is also called settings, I prefer to call it gear icon. You would click here, and you can see here there's a little box that says others, and it says include inactive clients. So if I click on this that says include inactive clients, look what happens. All of the clients that we entered here, all of us, all appear back again, right? So now, and then if you look to the right side, you can see all the active clients. The action shows what can we do with this active client. We can edit this client. We can make them inactive. We can do other things with it. For example, look, we can create a tax return, or we can make them inactive. We don't want to do that. But the A and P Accounting LLC, we just made it inactive. We just basically canceled this client. And look, let's say the client is coming back. We can come here, click on this action, make active. And guess what? Now we're making this client active. You see that? Then now we're making this client active. And so on and so forth. So we don't need this right now. We don't need to see these entire like 25 clients here in our screen. We don't need that. So we're going to go back to the gear icon again, and we're going to uncheck include inactive clients. And look what happens when you do that. We're only left with 2 active clients. Okay, so that's what happened.